Right now, I'm making over $1,000 a day, and I'm doing almost all of it with one single AI tool called Claude. I'm not trading stocks, I'm not doing some weird crypto thing, and I'm definitely not going to tell you to start dropshipping in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do step by step, and I'm going to show you the exact AI tools I use and why, so you can go ahead and just copy me. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's talk about why I chose to sell digital products in the first place. Because right now, everyone's chasing AI automation agencies or dropshipping, and honestly, both of those are a trap. Think about it. When you sell AI automation as a service, what are you actually doing? You're selling your time. You're basically an employee just without a boss standing over you. You still have to show up, do the work for the client, deal with revisions, deal with requests at 9 at night. That's not freedom. That's a job. You just get the illusion of being self employed. And dropshipping, I'm not going to pretend it's a good option either. The profit margins are insanely low. We're talking 5 to 20% at best after ads and after all the fees eat into what's left. You're working incredibly hard to keep maybe 15 cents on the dollar. Now, compare that to digital products. We're talking 80 to 95% profit. You build a course once and you can sell it over and over again without doing the work every single time. That's the difference between trading your time for money and actually building something that makes you money while you sleep. Now, here's the next thing you need to understand. The kind of digital product you need to sell, at least if you want to make real money, is an online course, not a $29 ebook. I know what you're thinking, Fred. Ebooks sound easier. I write it once and I sell it forever. Sure, it looks like that on paper, but have you ever actually tried selling a $29 ebook? It's brutal. You need a massive amount of traffic just to make a few $100 because the price point is so low that your profit per sale is tiny once you factor in ads, your time, and everything else. Now, compare that to a simple high ticket course. We're talking $1,000 to $10,000 plus per sale. You don't need thousands of buyers, you need a handful of people who say yes. One sale at $3,000 is the same as over 100 sales of a $29 ebook. So which one sounds easier to you, getting one person to say yes or getting 100? By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And here's where most people talk themselves out of this before they even start. They think, Fred, I don't have anything to teach. I'm not an expert in anything. Look, that used to be true, but it's not true anymore. And that's because of AI. Thanks to Claude, you can research any topic in depth, pull real information together, organize it, and build a course around it, even if you only started learning about the subject last week. Claude does the heavy lifting on the knowledge side. Your job is just to package it and deliver it in a way that's clear and useful. And the more you use it to research a topic, the more you'll actually learn about it and become good at it yourself. So the excuse of I don't know enough to teach anything, that excuse is gone. So let me break down exactly how Claude runs through my entire business because this is where it gets interesting. First, I use it to write every single one of my YouTube video scripts. I used to spend hours every single day staring at a blank page trying to figure out what to say. And I mean that literally, I was typing so much that my forearms and my fingers were sore, and that was leading me straight into burnout. Now, I give Claude my topic, my style, and my past videos, and it hands me back a script that actually sounds like me in minutes instead of hours. All I do is pull up my script writing skill inside Claude, give it the topic of the video, and that's it. Second, I use it to help plan and outline my course content itself. The same way, feeding it research and letting it organize the structure so I'm not sitting there for weeks trying to figure out how to lay everything out. When you stack these things together, you save so much time that you can either post more content and become a content machine, or post less and just have more free time back in your life. It's the same me, the same business, just way less time wasted on the parts that used to drain me. Now, some people hear all this and immediately freak out because they don't want to show their face. Look, I get it. Not everyone's comfortable being on camera. It's a skill you have to learn. It wasn't natural for me either at first. So let me show you your options here. Option 1, you build a personal brand. You record yourself talking exactly like I'm doing right now. People connect with real faces and it builds a trust fast. Option 2, you use an AI voice clone of yourself. It's way cheaper than a full visual avatar and it still sounds like you. Option 3, you create a full AI avatar or you pick a voice that isn't yours at all, so you stay completely anonymous. The point is, you don't need to be some polished on camera personality to make this work. AI gives you a way around that excuse too. Here's where most people mess up. When they try to sell a high ticket course, they go straight for the sale. Nobody's handing over $3,000 to someone they just met 5 minutes ago on the internet. So what do you do instead? You give first. I run a free course and it builds trust. People go through it, they get real value, they see that I actually know what I'm talking about. And naturally, a small percentage of them want to go deeper, get personal guidance, and actually transform the results. Those are the people who become paying clients. I don't have to chase anyone down. People come to me because the free value already proved I was worth listening to. Free value first, that builds trust. High ticket sale after, in that order, every single time. So let's recap real quick so you know exactly what to do. You sell a high ticket digital product, an online course, not a cheap ebook that's nearly impossible to profit from. You use Claude to research and build that course, even if you're not an expert yet. You use Claude to write your scripts and plan your content so you can post more without burning out. You pick your path, either a personal brand or an AI voice or avatar, whatever you're actually comfortable with, and you give free value first before anyone ever pays you a dime. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. This is literally what I'm doing right now every single day, and it's working better than anything I've ever done in business before. The tools are sitting right there for you to use. The only question left is whether you're actually going to do something with them. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.